peoples, how's it going? Welcome back. I've got some very easy tips for how you can eat healthy. When you're on your own and don't have your mom constantly telling you to, Catherine, eat your vegetables or you can't have ice cream, it can be hard to eat healthy. If you feel like having nachos for breakfast, nobody is there to tell you that you can't. Just like anybody else, I enjoy treating myself to some food that, well, I probably shouldn't eat. Sometimes you need a little motivation. Why do you want to eat a bunch of unhealthy food if you're going to be sweating bullets in the gym just to stay in shape? Some foods are just too good to leave alone though. But that ends right now with these tips for healthy eating. Tip number 1, it starts with groceries. Listen to me. Stay away from the center aisles of grocery stores. Buying food in those aisles is like buying a ticket to your deathbed. Focus on the outer section where the fresh fruits and vegetables are, but don't be afraid to get 1 or 2 treats for yourself. Tip number 2, drink water. Drink water, lots of it. Sorry, did you think there was more? Nope, that's it. Tip number 3, try the 80-20 rule. This basically means that 80% of being healthy is your diet and the other 20 is exercise. $999. 1,000. Whew. And this is how healthy is done. You can make a little edit to that rule. You should still exercise, but you should also enjoy a few cravings, so to speak. Those are my 3 tips for being healthy. I'm Kat, and thanks for watching.